I'm a wilderness ranger with New Mexico Wild, which is a state-based nonprofit here in New Mexico that's working on protecting wilderness, wildlife, and water in the state. So part of what we do is we do policy and advocacy work to make sure that the state and national levels of government are prioritizing wilderness and protecting our water here in New Mexico. And also, the other part that we get to do is on-the-ground conservation work. So we are out in the Pecos and other areas of the state, clearing trails, taking care of invasive species, opening up access to the public to our public lands. My team in particular, we work mostly in the Pecos, in the Hermit's Peak Calf Canyon area. So we're seeing, a ton of deadfall. We're trying to clear out trails that are inaccessible right now. We cleared over 70 miles of trails last season, but a lot of those trails will need to get cleared again this year and the year after as more deadfall blows down. Interestingly, behind the burn scar, deeper into the wilderness, we're finding that a lot of those trails are getting eroded and kind of lost as users find the path of least resistance near creeks, which is natural. So a lot of our work that's really fun is we're doing detective work to find where those original trails were, looking for old blazes, looking for old signs of cuts, and then reestablishing those more sustainable trails so that people can make their way through these corridors without disturbing the creeks and the other waterways.